Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc about everything related to every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff that doesn't even matter, or that you probably don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for shopping at Home Depot right now. Plus, a few things about each that actually matter, so you can just pick one and go on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab the full research doc completely free and read it whenever you want. No joke. Alright, let's get to it. Top 3 VPN services for Home Depot shopping, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Home Depot. Why? First, it works perfectly with all retail sites, Home Depot included. That's super important. Speed-wise, it's literally one of the fastest I've tested. Quick connections, no loading hiccups or interruptions, and great download and upload speeds for smooth browsing and checkout. Features, it's got the most by far. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support, affordable for what you get, plus their support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, not at all, that's a fact. What about encryption? They use the best encryption tech to keep your online shopping data safe. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and relatively cheap for what it offers. Negatives, only a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for Home Depot is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently stable connections. No delays, no packet loss, just seamless shopping on Home Depot's site. Features, has all the essentials a shopper needs and then some. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, perfect if you want to route just your Home Depot app or site through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there, often cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. What about encryption? Top encryption tech, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy folks nervous. But hey, their no-logs audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, clean, fast, secure. A true set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for smooth shopping and great value. Third best VPN for Home Depot is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server near you for quick Home Depot access. Features, it's packed, kill switch, great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is pretty good and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope. Their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. What about encryption? Uses the best encryption tech, and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best choice if you're on a budget but want a huge network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for shopping securely and quickly at Home Depot. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on their logo or colors, you'll be totally fine. They just work perfectly with Home Depot. Quick recap, if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for safe, fast, and feature-rich Home Depot browsing. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives incredible value for the price while shopping. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put my exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description, so you can get the best prices available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.